Hey friends, in the last session we implement our interaction system using line trace. However, without a visual indicator, it's hard to tell exact where the center of your camera is, which is where the line trace originates. The solution is cursor. You need a simple cursor image. This will be provided in the description. In your content browser, right click and create new folder called texture. Open texture folder and import Crosshair PNG into texture folder. Since this texture is for the user interface, we need to adjust its comparison setting to keep it crisp. Double click to open the texture and change this texture group to UI, and under comparison setting, make sure this user interface 2D, and click save and close this and go back to content folder and create a new folder called UMG. Then open it, user interface, select widget blueprint and select this user widget and name it to W main HUD. This will hold all of your on-screen HUD element. Since the cursor is a distinct element, we'll give it its own widget. Inside the UMG folder, create another widget blueprint and name it to W underscore cursor. Then open W cursor. Since our source image is teeny, we want this widget itself to adapt that exact size. In the designer view, look at the top right menu where it says screen size. Change fill screen to decide on screen. From the palette left side, search size box and drag this size box to this. In the details panel, from the size box, check this width overview and height overview and set it to 5. Now I'm zooming it, and next we need to add image text for it. I'm add image for this size box and select this image. In the details panel, expand this brush and select our Crosshair texture and compile and save and close this and open W main HUD. In the W main HUD, now we place our tiny widget into onto our main HUD canvas. In the W main HUD, first we need canvas. So search canvas and drag this to main HUD. And next scroll down and find user created and expand this user created. You can find we created W cursor. So drag it and drop here. Now click this W cursor and come back to details panel, and you can find size X and size Y and set both to 5. With W cursor selected, look at the anchor setting top of the details panel. Click the press button anchor widget to center of the screen. Now this position X and position Y set to 0. Notice it's not perfectly centered. it's slightly down and right because the pivot is still the top left corner on the widget. To fix this, change the alignment setting. Set alignment x to 0.5 and also y select 0.5. This widget is now perfectly centered. This tells the engine to use the center of the widget as the pivot point, which is the placed at the screen center position relative to the center angle. And compile and save this. Now we need to tell our player character to load and display the HUD when the game is start. So close this, go to content, go to game grouping, level folder and open level 1 character. In the My Blueprint panel, click next to function and create a new function called initialize. Go to the event graph, find the event begin play node. I'm remove it. So right click, search event begin play and get event begin play node, and drag our initialize function to the graph and connect it to event begin play. Called create widget node, this one, and select our W main HUD. And we need a variable for this, so drag this return value and select from out to variable. And I've renamed this to main HUD ref. This gives us a reference to the HUD for future update, like inventory display. Drag of the main HUD ref variable on the center and add to viewport. Now compile and save and close this. Now let's test it. Hit play in your level. You should now see a small perfectly centered Crosshair in your screen. This will make your line trace interaction system from the previous lesson much easy to use. In the next lesson, we create a door system for our game. See you in next lesson.